Hello. Today we'll be going over the maintenance application. To get started, let's go ahead and get into the Zoho Creator Customer Portal. This link will be down in the description in case you need to copy and paste it. Once that's entered, hit proceed and it'll take you to the login screen. At this login screen, the email address that you will use will be your first initial, your last name at bigfootenergy.dev. I have my information saved on the tablet, so I'm going to head and enter that here. Once you get signed in, there's going to be a little pop-up screen that asks us to help us improve. Select whichever that you feel is necessary, and then you'll be at the Maintenance Management System dashboard. There are two different options whenever you get to this page: navigation page and creation calendar. Today we'll be utilizing the navigation page. Whenever we tap on that, we'll see several different options pop up. I'm going to pause right here to let y'all take a look at the overall screen here. Then we're going to hit create work order. And what this is going to do is it's going to let us add a work order so that we can have a job to do. Going down from the top, there's just some basic information like work order details, creator ID, creator name, today's date, and time. The first thing that you're going to want to check is the disposal wells, and this will tell us where you're having a problem at. In this example, we'll use my house as that's where this video is being created. The next line below that is equipment. So on the right hand side there's a plus button where we can add additional equipment. I will be showing y'all this in the example. So going down from the top of this list, we have equipment type, and what we're going to do is we're going to select what's wrong with it. In this example, we'll pick structural. This is just a hypothetical in this video. The equipment payload name, we're just going to put desk because as my desk is famous now, we'll take pictures of that desk continually. The equipment name, good old desk. We'll use arbitrary numbers for the model number, as for the desk it does not matter. The data plate image on the equipment where the data plate image is, you will want to take a picture of it right there. Past that, we're entering arbitrary equipment serial numbers. Then at the disposal well, we'll pick my house again. The equipment hours, there's nothing to select there on this particular thing because it's not a known piece of equipment. Right here we'll say how many hours is on the equipment. And then the last PM hours will be the last time that a preventative maintenance was performed on it. And then next PM hours is when the next preventative maintenance should be performed. Past that, hit submit. And then you'll see that it added the desk in the equipment line there. Continuing on down the form where it says what are the fault details, now we will take a fault image which there's that desk I spoke about. The next thing we're going to select is fault categories. And we said that it's a structural issue, so we'll tap on that. The fault, we will say that it's loose. Mounting is loose. Right here, we'll put a description of the fault. So we're going to say that the desk is loose. That just is to give an example of what is wrong there. Once you are past that, we'll hit submit. And this will create a work order and put it in the unassigned work orders. Now I'm going to back out of this screen to show you that there's two different ways that you can get into it from here. So you'll hit the navigation page, and then the blue button that says unassigned work orders, or the total unassigned on the far left hand side of the screen where the number 1 is. You can also tap there to get back to the screen. Now whenever you get ready to do the repair, you'll tap on the work order and you will hit this red button that says create repair. Right here I'm just giving you an overview of what the work order looks like. It's got all the information that we entered on the previous screen in case that this ticket is assigned to someone else for completion. Like I said, we're going to hit that create repair button to go into the ticket. And then as you'll see, it's got all the information that we previously entered. The first button that you'll be able to select is that facility out of service button. You will only utilize this if it does take an entire facility down. Past that, the next thing will be a parts subform. This will be if you need to make any purchases in order to complete this repair. The first line is the vendor. We're going to say that we are picking something up from Amazon. On the receipt image, you take a picture of the receipt. This is for tracking finances. On the category, we're going to just select supplies on this. The total amount, we're going to put an arbitrary number in here. And then that line right there where it says work orders, we're going to pass it for now. However, if you know the work order number, you can select it from there. Past that, we're going to the line of correction type, and we're going to say that we adjusted and we tightened this desk. Description of the correction. This is where you will say what you did in order to make whatever repair is necessary. So in this instance, we fixed the loose desk. We'll take a picture of the repair next. And then the next couple of options that we come to are repairs complete time, and does this repair complete the work order. So in the instance that the repair is complete, however the work order is not complete, you will leave that second radio button unchecked, and that will allow for additional work to be done on this work order. Now if the work is done, then you will select that this does complete the work order. Then you'll go to the next line and sign it, and then you'll hit finalize repair after that. Now whenever we get to the unassigned work orders, there's no record because we have completed that, and that is a basic introduction on how to use the maintenance management system.